Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The conceptualization of the 2026 Ford King-class van as a luxurious vehicle signifies a strategic evolution for Ford in the commercial and high-end personal transport sectors. While Ford has a long-standing reputation for robust and practical vans, the King-class designation suggests a deliberate move towards a more opulent, refined, and technologically advanced offering, targeting discerning individuals and executive transport services. Externally, the 2026 Ford King-class van would likely retain a recognizable yet significantly elevated Ford Transit-derived silhouette. Every aspect would be meticulously re-engineered for a premium aesthetic, featuring a sophisticated front fascia with a bespoke grille design, signature LED lighting, and refined chrome accents that project an air of understated elegance. The body panels would exhibit tighter tolerances and higher quality finishes, with a wider array of exclusive paint options. Larger, multi-spoke alloy wheels would further enhance its distinguished presence on the road, while privacy glass would ensure discretion for its esteemed occupants. The interior is where the 2026 Ford King-class van would truly distinguish itself as a luxurious vehicle. Stepping inside, one would be enveloped in a meticulously crafted environment akin to a private jet or high-end lounge. Seating would be paramount, featuring individually sculpted, multi-adjustable captain's chairs upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching. These seats would offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring ultimate comfort on long journeys. The cabin layout would prioritize spaciousness and privacy, with configurable seating arrangements to facilitate business meetings or relaxed conversations. Material selection would be exquisite, featuring genuine wood veneers, polished aluminum or carbon fiber accents, and plush, deep pile carpeting. Ambient LED lighting would illuminate the cabin, while connectivity would be state-of-the-art with integrated Wi-Fi, multiple charging points, and a sophisticated infotainment system. A premium audio system would provide an immersive auditory experience, and climate control would be multi-zone and highly precise. Practical luxury features such as integrated mini refrigerators, discrete storage compartments, and fold-out tables would be seamlessly incorporated. From a performance perspective, the King-class would boast a refined powertrain focused on smooth, quiet operation, featuring a powerful yet efficient EcoBoost engine paired with an advanced automatic transmission. The suspension system would be significantly upgraded to deliver an exceptionally smooth and isolated ride, effectively dampening road imperfections and minimizing cabin noise. Advanced driver assistance systems would be comprehensive, providing enhanced safety and reducing driver fatigue. In essence, the 2026 Ford King-class van would represent Ford's ambition to redefine the luxury van segment, offering a sophisticated, comfortable, and technologically advanced mobile environment for executives, VIP transport, or discerning families who demand the utmost in refinement from their vehicle. With its unparalleled luxury features, this vehicle would set a new standard for luxury vans, providing an unforgettable experience for its discerning clientele.